everyone, Anke here with a new layout and process video for HipKit Club featuring the June HipKits. On Sundays we focus on techniques and I'll create a layout with circular design with a stitched frame and a semicircular photo. Here's my photo, and now I cut out a piece of the HipKit Club exclusive The Good Life This Happened paper for the other half of my circle. I want to stitch a frame, so I draw two circles on my cardstock, a large circle and a smaller one. Then I draw lines to divide the circles in 4 sections. Now I pierce holes and stitch the first section. I place my photo to see if everything looks good and then I stitch the rest. I think there should be a bit more contrast between photo paper and the stitched frame, so I cut a circle from white cardstock, which I used to back photo and paper. Now I add the title, therefore I use one of the Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser phrase stickers, which I included in the June embellishment kit. But it has nearly the same color as the paper, so I have to make it stand out. I glue it on white cardstock and then I cut it out. With the white outline it looks much better. Along the line between photo and paper I place a piece of thread and attach it with a stapler. want to add some clouds. I have a red one left from the Heidi Swap Sun Chaser ephemera pack, which is included in the June Pocket Life kit. I use the white back side of it and draw 2 more clouds on white cardstock, cut them out and arrange them on my layout. The sun is a sticker from the Heidi Swap Sun Chaser sticker book, which you can find in the June main kit. Now I complete my title with some alphabet stickers from the Simple Stories Let's Go sticker book, which is included in the June Pocket Life kit, and add some of the crate paper round trip animal shapes, which are also included in the June Pocket Life kit. I also add some of the Simple Stories Let's Go puffy stickers. I continue embellishing the layout with a tag from the Heidi Swap Sun Chaser ephemera pack, another Sun Chaser puffy phrase sticker, and some more puffy stickers and animal stars. some large and small color splatters using a shimmer spray from a previous color kit. Finally, I add some word stickers from the Simple Story sticker book and more animal stars. Here's the finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me today.